In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Olymp Matix app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to stop those annoying pop-up notifications from Olymp Matix app, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to access the app information page. Now, there are two ways you can do this. First, you will need to go to settings. And from settings, look for the option called apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under this, tap on manage apps or more apps depending on your smartphone. And then this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. Now here you can see my Olymp Matix app is here. If you tap on it, you can see now you are on the app information page. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious or complex on your side, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. Now, to do this, go ahead and look for your app again. And then for this time round, instead of tapping on it, go ahead and long press on it. Now you'll be able to see this option called app info. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will still take you to the same page. Under this, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, notifications are currently turned to yes. And if I tap on it, you can see you have various types of notifications that are on. Instead of going and turning off one by one here, just go ahead and look for this option called show notifications and toggle it off. Then it will turn off all the other types of notifications. At this point, now you'll never again receive those pop-up notifications from Olymp Matix app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.